Hello internet friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and I just noticed how incredibly echoey it is in here. I don't like it. Anyways, if you are new around here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in England. I actually recently just moved to England and this is the first video I've ever filmed in my office, so yeah, this is the best I've got. I only have my ring light and my camera and a very tiny tripod, so I'm working with the best that I can. Anyways, if you are new around here, then you probably don't know who I am, but I'm guessing you might be new because a lot of new people have been coming to my channel since now I'm making videos about England. So if you are new, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in England. Every week I make a different video about my family's life here and the things that I get up to or we get up to on the weekly. I also make videos about Lush, being vegan, raising vegan kids, and adoption, so if any of those things are interesting to you, you know what to do. Anyways, let's get into the reason you guys are actually here, because I know that you guys read the title, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked on it. Today's we're going to be doing another one of my many famous or not so famous Stitch Fix unboxings, which if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, at this point you're probably living under a rock, but I'll give you the Reader's Digest version. However, I did go into it a little bit more detail in one of my other videos, so I'll put that up in the cards and also in the description for you if you want to go look at that. The Reader's Digest version is that Stitch Fix is my favorite and a very convenient online personal shopping service. All you have to do is you go onto their website using the link in the description. And because of YouTube guidelines, I am legally required to tell you that if you click on the link in the video description, not only do you receive a $25 discount, it might be $50, it kind of changes, but you'll receive a discount and I will also receive the same discount myself on the same clothing. So is it a commission? Is it not a commission? I don't know, figure it out for yourself. Anyways, once you click on that link, all you have to do is fill out this little style quiz. They ask you about like your height, your weight, your budget. They ask you what kind of styles you like, and then you put in your address and your first ever Stitch Fix box will come to your door. And then once the clothes arrive to your door, you can try them all on, take some pictures of yourself for Instagram, whatever you want to do in them. And then for those things that you finally decide to purchase, you'll be able to take the discount that you received from my link and apply that to your purchase in addition to your styling fee. That styling fee I have mentioned before is $20, but if you purchase something, you get $20 off. So basically what I'm saying is by clicking on my link, you'll get probably a minimum of $40 off your purchase just by clicking on my link. So click on my link. Anyways, that sounded really sales pitchy. That was weird. Alrighty then, that is all taken care of. Let's actually get into opening up this box. And I'm very excited every time this comes because it's always something super cute in here. The other thing I like is that because of COVID, you guys know that shopping can be kind of a risky behavior these days, and so the fact that I don't have to worry about shopping and that these clothes come direct to my door make things a lot easier for me. Okay, ooh, there we go. Okay, the box is open. Let's see what's inside. All right, so you guys know the drill. Return packaging, information with your bill and styling ideas. Don't want to look at that, so I don't want to know what's in here. And ooh, I also got a little shop by category flyer. Okay. Hey, do they have Stitch Fix for men now? Maybe. I don't know, but that's cool. Okay. And now let's get into the actual stuff inside. Ooh, it's a little bundle. I feel like the bundles are getting smaller, but there it is. It's so cute. Ah! Ooh, that was dramatic and violent. Okay. All right. So let's look at the first item. The first item in the box is a sweater. I think a sweater. Yeah, it is a pullover and it's super soft. Diane, my stylist, knows I love soft things, so anything soft is a win. And I guess it's just like a pretty lavender colored sweater that I can wear with pretty much anything that I want. I did tell her in my box I was looking for something to go with the red trousers that you guys saw in my last video, so hopefully she followed that and picked out something that will go with those trousers. I also let her know that the average temperature in Fahrenheit where I live in the UK is about 70-ish in the summer. Sometimes get up to 75 or 80, but that doesn't really happen. So a lot of this clothing might be a little bit warmer than you're expecting in a summer haul. Anyways, back to this sweater. It's really soft. It's a really pretty lavender color. I just don't know if the lavender color is going to match my skin tone because these colors tend to wash me out. But I am going to try it on for you guys at some point. So yeah, we can find out together then. But it is really cute and soft. I like that. Okay, moving on to the next thing in my box. It is flowery. Okay. I mean, I like flowers. I just was expecting something different. All right, it looks like it's probably a dress. Ooh, yeah, it definitely is a dress. And it's just like a teal color. And it has the white flowers on it. I don't know what kind of flowers these are. Do you guys know what kind of flowers they are? And it looks like it also has kind of a like button that goes all the way down the front of the dress, which initially I'm not into. And the reason I'm not into it is because I feel like it draws just like a line to the middle of your body. And I don't know, I just don't really like how it looks. So I'm willing to try anything. Diane knows that I'm willing to try things that are a little bit different for me, but I do like the color so far, which is great. Oh yeah, by the way, by the time I'm done showing you guys all the items, I'm gonna go over the prices and everything. So rest assured we're gonna get there. Okay, next item in the box is, ooh, I think this is the item she picked out to go with my trousers. I'll check her little note when we get there. So it is this really pretty shirt. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I really like this. It is kind of like a lacy tank top. I did tell her that once in a while it can get pretty hot, and she's probably thinking that I could layer this with something, with some of the other purchases I already have from them. So this is really cute. I really like it. She knows I really love white. As you guys can tell, I love white. My walls are white, which is not my choice, but anyways, yeah, I like this a lot. I'm a little concerned about like the shape of it because it looks very like moo-moo-y, but we'll have to just see what it looks like when I get a chance to try it on. So cute though, I really like that one. The only concern that I have is I'm worried about my bra strap showing, because I feel it's going to be warm enough for me to wear something like this. I'm gonna have to hide my bra straps, so, or wear a strapless bra, I guess, but those are so not comfortable. But yeah, cool, nice. All right, moving on to the next item is blue. I'm gonna guess it's a cardigan. Probably, I bet it's to go with the shirt. Let's see. No, it's not a cardigan. It is just like a regular like sweater. It looks like this. Very pretty. I really like this. It looks like it's super, super low cut in the front. So I wonder if it is meant to be, yeah, it goes down to here, a layering piece. I'm assuming it has to be a layering piece because what else would you do? But I really like the color. I bet this with this underneath of it would be really cute and really pretty. So we will see how that goes. Okay, and now we have one more item, and it looks like it's another sweater, which is great. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I think that we are still on the hunt for the black cardigan, which if you guys have been watching my Stitch Fix videos, I've been on the hunt for the right black cardigan for too long. It's kind of embarrassing. Anyway, I hope this is a black cardigan. We'll see. Yes, it is a black cardigan, yay! And it's pretty much what I asked for, so I will definitely have to try this on. It has pockets in the front, which is great. Yeah, it's just like your basic black cardigan, but I do need a new one, so this is pretty exciting. Okay, so that's everything that is in the box. So now I'm going to open my little envelope here, and we're gonna see how much everything costs. So pink clover 2-pocket cardigan black. So I'm gonna guess that's this one. And that is listed at $44, which seems pretty cheap. I mean, it's a long cardigan, right? Yeah, so I'm a little bit concerned about the product quality of this one, but we'll just have to give it a try and check out all the seams to make sure. All right, then there is the brushed knit top, purple. So I'm gonna guess that's this one. And that one is $38. All right, next thing on the list is the detail tank. So I'm guessing this is it because it's the only tank. And that one is listed at $44, which kind of seems like a lot for a tank top. But actually, now that I'm thinking all the embroidery and the lace, that price point is pretty spot on. So that is pretty awesome. And then the dress is the last thing. And the dress is listed for $58, which is really good for a summer dress. With this like nice soft material. So yeah, that's everything in my Stitch Fix box. I'm gonna do a little try on for you guys, but as usual, I'm not gonna do it in this video because right now my little viewfinder says this video is 18 minutes long, and I have a feeling you guys don't want to watch a 40-minute video of me pulling clothes out and trying them on. So I'm going to switch up the camera settings a little bit and try the stuff on for you guys, and that video is going to be uploaded either the following Wednesday or Sunday, depending on whether or not I upload this Sunday or Wednesday, or the next day if I have a chance to get everything edited on time. So yeah, that is everything that I had to show you guys for my Stitch Fix box. I like a lot of the items and I'm excited to try them on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me in the comment section which item is your favorite, and I'll see you later. Bye.